How you doing, buddy? Yeah, you're rolling. Hey, was it hard work? All right, let's see you do it. Trying. Come on. Good job. Oh, help him,
Do it.
Danny.
Go do it.
Nervous little laugh.
Watch Reed.
Trying. Says he might get this broom here. Let's see, Reed. Let's see your skills, boy. Dave, scoot that broom a little bit this way, see if he'll go after it. Get it, boy. You can do it. No TV watching, mister.